It is so easy for me to talk myself out of exercising. I'm Gina with WTI, and I can't make excuses anymore because I have this extremely versatile and convenient to use treadmill from Rayspace. This is not a bulky machine. It doesn't take up a lot of space, but that doesn't mean that it isn't well made and completely shock absorbing. This has so many different features. The ones that I like the most are that it has a remote. You can easily set the incline and speed. There's a really clear display. It shows you how many calories you've burned, how fast you're going, how much time you spent on the treadmill, among other things. I also like that I can pause it, get off the treadmill, and then come back on. It picks up right where I left off. This even has the option to attach Bluetooth to listen to your favorite music or use the downloadable app for major motivation. I did need to adjust the belt when I first got it. There's clear instructions in the manual and on the machine itself in order to do so. Once I did that, no squeaks, no rubbing. It was in exactly the right spot. Having it here staring at me in the living room really makes me get on it and exercise. I think you're going to love it as much as I have, and that's my point of view.